Hi guys, so I know it's a Christmas rush na and I'm sure maging sobrang busy na tayo in a few hours. But I just want to create this video to give thanks to each and every one of you. Because ang dami talagang nangyari sa 2024. But I have to spend some time to create this video because I want to say thank you to each and every one of you. I think in 2024 there were so many things na first for us, diba? First time tayo ma-recognize for content creation, creating our travel content na never in a million years would I even have imagined na, oh my gosh, we will be nominated or even just recognized to create travel content. But most especially also, I want to give thanks to you guys because we also got recognized for social impact for creating financial contents. And I always started and I began my journey creating financial content and even credit card content. And it's never about the recognition, it's never about the awards for us, diba? I know that, you know, those are just cherry on the top, na cherry on top na para oh, na-recognize tayo. But it's always about creating the value for each and every one. And I always say, starting out the year, I shared my vision of creating a Philippines where everyone will have access to financial instrument and also access to proper credit. Because yun yung paniniwala ko na with that, aangat ang buhay ng Pilipino at aangat ang buong Pilipinas. I know it sounds so, sasabihin yung grabe nun to Jax, grabe. It's a big vision, but it's a big purpose, but that's how I believe it. And that's why, like ko sasabi, every time I meet each and every one of you guys, diba sabi ko, alam mo yung mga likes nyo, yung views nyo sa akin, yung reactions nyo, most especially those that take time to send messages and even to give me those small chit-chat pag nakita ko yung sa airport, sa mall, and yung kwento nyo kung paano nakatulong yung some of the tips, some of the tricks, that videos that I create, that's more than enough. Hindi ko kailangan ng anything else. Because I know that those are the things that drives me to create more content. Because you see the value in it. And yun yung reason why I create content. It's because hindi na bibili yung appreciation, hindi na bibili yung mga value ng naitulong sa inyo ng isang video, isang post, because those things can change lives, and that's one thing that I always love and I always believe in. I know ko medyo sentimental siya guys, but it's true. It's how we created 2024. And ang dami pa nangyari, diba? May first ever Pride March ko, diba? With TikTok as well. Even joining creator panels to share my creator journey. I might not be the biggest financial creator, I might not be the biggest travel content creator, but it's okay, diba? That's not why I create content. Why I create content will always be the value that the video or the post can impart. It will always be about that. And last but not the least, syempre guys, maraming pasasalamat sa inyo because your views, your likes, your reactions, diba? You spend the time to watch my content, diba? That's why you cannot put a price on that. Kaya maraming salamat. In 2025, hindi pa rin tayo titigil. We will still create more of these infographics, videos, content, lahat about travel, lifestyle, about finance most especially, and on to bigger goals pa rin tayo. And of course, sa lahat ng mga kaskasan buddies din, 2024 was crazy. Ang dami ring ganap, di ba? But maraming salamat because all of your stories, all of the, you know, the tips that you share in the community is why the community is there. And that's the reason why the community is strong. And lagi ko sasabi, do you even think that the community is even bigger than me? And you know, that's the power of community. That's the power of everyone getting together with the shared purpose to love, to share, and to share those tips and tricks para hindi matakot ang tao using their credit cards. But yun talaga siya. Maraming salamat sa 2024. Hindi tayo titigil, sabay-sabay pa rin tayo. And again guys, maraming salamat because dahil sa inyo naman, kaya sabay-sabay tayong sabay-sabay tayong nananalo sa 2024 and on to bigger things in 2025. And syempre, sabay-sabay pa rin tayo because, you know, you guys are the reason why I'm here. So, maraming salamat and happy holidays.